The belt connects the engine to the blade on your edger. Over time, the belt will stretch and wear. Eventually, it will no longer make sufficient contact with the pulleys, and they will begin to slip. In some cases, the belt will break if it is worn too much. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor pulley cover. I'll adjust the blade height so the bolts are accessible. And now remove the blade pulley cover. Now I can remove the belt. Now install the new belt. To install the belt, I need to compress the spring on the arm to reduce the distance between the pulleys. There's a few ways you can do this. You can get somebody to help you. While they compress the arm, you can install the belt. You can put the front of the edger against a wall. Push the edger against the wall so it compresses the arm. Or the method I'll use is to tie a rope around the front hub, wrap it around the adjustment arm, and then I can use the rope to compress the spring. I'll tie the rope around the hub on the front of the arm. Wrap it around the adjustment arm. Back under the hub. And now as I pull the rope, it'll compress the spring. I've wrapped the rope around the adjustment lever in the back so I can hold this compression. Now I can reinstall the belt. And I'll release the rope to apply the tension to the belt. Now I'll reinstall the front pulley cover. Now I can reinstall the engine pulley cover. First, I'll place the bolts through the cover. On the back side, I'll install a spacer over each of the bolts. Now I'll line the assembly with the engine and secure it with the bolts. And that's all it takes to install a new belt on your Edger. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.